Hey, it's Katie from Cerebrium, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can crop your videos. You can edit your video frame to remove distracting elements of the video, change the video's aspect ratio, or to focus more closely on a particular subject within the video frame. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with an online video cropper called cerebrium.com. You can open your browser and search Cerebrium and go to cerebrium.com. Then you log into your account. You can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrium, so don't worry about this at all, as you can test out the software first. You then upload your video that you would like to crop. With this video editor, you can also use it to create multiple aspect ratios for your social media channels. So you can upload one video in any aspect ratio and the software will create multiple different aspect ratios, all of which are appropriate for any social media channel, whether that be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and so on, and none of the quality or content of the video will be lost. This saves content creators a lot of time and allows them to repurpose their content across multiple social media platforms without spending any extra time editing. As you can see here, by using the purple cropper tool, you can select how much of your video you would like to crop and what you would like to include in the frame and what you would like to disregard. You can do this simply to change the aspect ratio of the video you have filmed to something else that would be more appropriate for you, or because you want to remove specific elements of your video. It's completely up to you how you'd like to crop your video. If you would specifically like to use it for social media purposes to transform the aspect ratio, the handy row of social media icons at the bottom signifies the correct size for each social media platform. You simply click on one of them to create the desired size for that social media platform. Then click on Make at the top once you're happy to move on to the video editor and you have all of the versions of the video that you would like. On the video editor page, this is where you can make any additional edits to your video that you may so wish. You can crop the length of your video here by clicking on the area that you would like to cut, clicking the trim button and then the delete button. Once you're happy with any edits made to your video, click on the preview button on the upper right hand corner and you're then taken to this page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, and it will be emailed directly to the email associated with your Cerebrium account. As I mentioned previously, Cerebrium does offer a 2-week free trial, so I would definitely encourage you to go ahead, check that out. I will leave all of the links down in the description box below so you can just click through to the website, and we always welcome your feedback, so do give the editor a try and let us know your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching, I hope this was helpful.